I'm here with a different video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace your battery for your laptop HP 15-CW1012. This applies for any laptop with a 15 series. So 15 series CW, this goes for you guys if you want to replace or upgrade your battery to a new one. Alright, first thing first, you need to get yourself a opening tool. I use an iFixit tool set. I'll leave the link in the description. All you need from here is the screwdriver and an opening tool. You can use an opening tool from here with a handle, or you can use a guitar pick. Right. So what we need to do right now, you need to use an opening tool, and you want to remove these rubber legs right at the corner. So lift it up. They have adhesive tape. Or you need to remove the two back ones. Remove the 3 screws. The screws are all the same size and height. Remove the 3 screws at the front end of the laptop. Again, they're the same. They're different from the back ones, but these 3 are the same size. So once you remove those, you want to grab your opening tool and you want to put your laptop or open it up a little bit. And you want to stick an opening tool right between the bottom and the top cover, just a little bit. And you want to wiggle it around, just gently. Once you got the front done, put it back down. Now do the side. To the corner. Go all the way around to the back. Alright, once you got it all the way here, all you need to do, there are a few clips right in the middle of the case. So what you need to do, you need to move it around, lift it up, wiggle it around, twist a little bit, just a little bit twist, and the clips come loose. Alright, down here, the battery is right at the front end of the laptop. There's only 4 screws holding it, one right there, and one at each corner at the back. So remove these 4 screws. And the model number for the battery is right here. It's an HT03XL. So next thing, all you need to do, lift up the battery on the back end here, and then pull it out. You can actually lift it from any side you want, in front or back. So these are the polymer batteries. There are just 3 cells, 1, 2, 3 cells. Once you have the new battery in, easy peasy, just put the back end and just push down the connector. Put the 3 screws that you removed. And there we have it. And the last thing is to grab the bottom cover, put it right on top, push down the corners, the back side, make sure you hear those clicks. And pretty much you're all set. And the last thing is to put the 3 black screws at the back by the hinges, and the 3 in the front. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys liked it, I appreciate if you guys click that thumbs up button, and if you guys subscribe, it really helps out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Just gonna finish this up. There we go.